Let there be light! Our case already has 3 fans included, and those are Corsair SP120 fans, which provide RGB LED lighting. So, we decided to match that and got another set of 3 RGB LED fans. These fans will interface with the already existing connections inside the case, so that everything can be controlled from one spot. We decided to do this now because it's easier to work inside the case when none of the components have been installed yet. The RGB LED lighting is controlled by 3 buttons on the top of the case. To install the fans, first remove them from their box. We installed the fans on the top and the rear of the case, in addition to the CPU cooler's heatsink. When installing the fans, make sure your cables are oriented towards where you want them to go. In this case, the rear fan has its cables in the bottom right, pushing towards the top of the motherboard so that it will cause the least obstruction. Our top fan cables leaning towards the back of the case so that you can't see them. Each fan has 2 cables attached to it. One is a fan plug that will connect to the motherboard. The other is a 4-pin RGB LED connector, which will attach to the hub already installed in the case. You can unwrap those cables and send them to the back of the case in the hole above the motherboard. To attach the fan to the heatsink, use the provided hooks at the bottom holes closest to the heatsink, latching into place the same way the stock fan was. Keep at it, Chase. Next, remove the Corsair Lighting Node Pro from its box. These 4 RGB LED strips are individually addressable and controlled by software, so we'll have to install another controller. Each strip is magnetized, but also comes with an adhesive strip on the back end of it. Remove the adhesive strip and apply the lighting to where you want it in the case. You can place the RGB LED strips anywhere you want. However, we went a more traditional route and decided to go along the bottom edge, side panel, and top 2 edges of the case. Next, unpack the controller. It comes with 2 double-sided adhesive strips. Remove the strip from one side and apply it directly to the controller's label, which will be on the underside of it. Next, peel off the other side of the strip and put it into the case in a logical spot. For us, this happened to be on the back side of the motherboard tray so that it can reach all the cables it needed to. Good job, Ruby! Next, we'll mount additional storage to the hard drive bay.